What is up, everybody, and welcome back to 23rd Garage. So today we are working on this little Lexus behind me. It's a very simple little frame job. It looks like it's not that bad from the outside, and I'm sure when the man bought this car, he thought that it was just a light bump in the front. But if you look up under here, you will see that it's pretty yoinked. Look at that. Even the subframe took a good lick. I wonder if he wants to replace that or not. I would suggest replacing that for sure. What do you think, Nate?
Definitely replace that. Look how far back it went.
Yeah, I'd say
it's almost pushed into the motor.
Yeah, it pushed that subframe back pretty far. But see, I'm not going to be pulling that. The only thing that we are responsible for doing on this vehicle right here is pulling out this lower radiator support section and welding in a new piece on that. So basically we just need to pull that out to straighten out these side brackets right here. Hopefully they will straighten out to where the new piece will go on and we don't have to replace them. They probably won't. We'll probably have to finagle with them a bit, but I guess that's why we're here, right? So the first thing we need to do is remove the front bumper. We need to remove the headlights. We need to remove the fenders and the hood. And the reason why we need to remove the fenders, it's not because they are damaged, it is because we need to replace the hood hinges. As you guys can see, this hood got pushed back, and the new hood, well, the donor hood that he got has good hinges on there. So for sure we are going to replace those. So let's go ahead and rip this basically whole front clip off this car. All right, so we've got everything stripped off. We actually did not have to remove the fenders completely. We were able to just take the bolts at the top loose and bend them out. So we got the hinges off. And now you can clearly see the damages. It's a lot worse than I would have said it was. Like if this car was on the auction and they never took pictures of that, they just took pictures of like the outside of it, somebody would probably overpay for it. But yeah, you can see that subframe is, what do you think, Paul, about that subframe?
I think he needs a new subframe.
Yeah, I think he needs to replace that. I'm not even gonna offer my services as far as pulling that goes. Although I know I can always weld something right here and pull it out, but I don't like doing that because first of all, I don't have to do that. And second of all, it's not safe. So two good reasons. Anyways, what I wanna do now is I wanna weld a piece right here, right in the dead center here. And then we'll be able to put a clamp on that. And when we pull it, hopefully this will go back that way and that will go back that way. This bracket right here does not seem that bad, but that one is pretty bent up. So I'm hoping that we can get that pulled out and that goes back into its spot. I wish we had two towers. If we did, we could pull that way while we're pulling this, but we don't, so we can't.
Blackjack.
Yes, that would be nice.
Are you gonna do the bottom half of the support or the whole support?
I don't know. I think that we can replace this center piece since it unbolts, and then we can just do the bottom section, and I think that will be fine. I don't know if it's worth replacing all these pieces here because I think it just disconnects right there real easy. We'll just straighten that out. I mean, if we have to, yeah, we can do the whole thing, but I don't know. Did he get us a used one or a new one?
No, it's a new support.
Okay, so
I guess it just depends on how well that goes. And
yeah, we'll see what happens.
Hang the hood and see what happens.
Yeah, it's a little mangled here at the top, but this piece comes off with bolts, so it's not a big deal. But I guess we'll see once we start pulling on it. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna go ahead and weld a piece onto there and then see if we can yank this thing out. we're done. You ready to go, Paul? We're gonna leave this. So since that came out so nice, I'm thinking that we don't even have to replace this radiator. And as a matter of fact, we're not even gonna cut this off. We're gonna use this as a tow hook. So, you know, Paul, what do you think?
Yeah, it'll work.
Make a little hole in his bumper.
Ah, you want me to go right through that lower center grill?
Yeah, see? All this has been very carefully engineered. But guys, look how beautifully that bracket right there straightened out. Like, you cannot ask for anything better than that. So now I think what we need to do is go ahead and remove the rebar and remove the radiator support and the radiator.
System.
Coolant system. Yeah, that's what I meant to say that, but you guys are making me nervous, all staring at me.
A little stronger than you thought, didn't it?
Look at them poopy welds.
Yeah, right. That's beautiful.
Beautiful welds.
Good help.
Yeah, they did, didn't they? All right, so the next order of operation is to straighten this out. There we go. Beautiful, sir. Straighten this side out. I gotta act like I'm struggling, you know, for the dramatic effect. And then now we need to remove this bottom section. And to do that, I think we simply need to just drill out these 3 spot welds right here, the 3 on this side, and then these 2 right here. Boom, boom. We'll straighten this piece up, and we'll get that bottom piece on there, and I think it's going to be beautiful. All right, so we got the old piece off and we've got the new piece prepared. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to do a little test fitment. So I'm going to get out here, get my phone out my pocket, so I don't sit on it.
Yeah, you learned from me with that one.
Yeah, I learn from you every day, Nate. All right. All right. So basically we just need to line up that spot weld right there. All right, so I am going to go ahead and weld this side in, and then we'll move the jack over to the other side and get that side set up and weld that side. And we should be good. Then we'll put the hood on it, put the top part of the core support beam back on, and put the rebar on it, and then measure the square, and hopefully everything checks out.
All right, bet.
Yo, we got a little delivery for the Porsche.
What you got?
Is it a surprise?
I mean, it might be a surprise to some people, like my wife.
Let's go check it out.
Are we gonna need to send her a link to the channel?
No, we gotta keep it low key.
Good thing Paul's wife doesn't watch the channel.
I know.
I might have to send her the link for this video.
Y'all don't go and send her the link.
Hey, the link and the timestamp too. That way she ain't even gotta look at it.
Yeah, I'm gonna send her the link and the timestamp and the price.
Like I said, they were donated.
Dang.
I think I went too big.
Are they 22s?
I know you went too big. Dang, how many wraps are they gonna put on there? You know they're, oh, dang. Bro, these look good.
Where's the center glass?
They don't need airplane.
Oh, it'd be pretty cool if the other ones fit. It'd be little Porsche caps.
Yeah, what about the original ones?
I sure hope they fit. I don't know.
I like these rims a lot. The reason why I like them a lot is because they have a lot of spokes. So I like them a lot. Nah, they look good. A lot nicer than what's on there right now. Let's see if that center cap is gonna fit. I'm curious as to if it will fit or not. I'm sure it will. Like, why wouldn't you want your original?
Fingers crossed.
I think it will.
Fingers crossed.
I know it will, as a matter of fact. Nope.
Dang it.
Well, you could make that fit. No?
I mean, I guess you could, couldn't you? Wait, is that a special tool for that, Paul?
Yeah.
Don't lie.
I'm dead serious.
Are you serious?
Yeah.
Hey, what you could do is you
Heat
could
it up,
warm, yeah.
and then push those out. Because, I mean, it does clip, like, it's.
Yeah, it
there's
clips
not
in,
much.
but no, I think you know what you should do? You should get those nice ones that, you know, they stay in the same position.
This ain't no Rolls Royce.
The spinners, they got them for these.
Do they?
Yeah, they got them for every car out there.
Well, this is loose enough. I just put some bearings on the inside.
It looked like it could spin. It spin right off. Let us know in the comment section what you guys think about the rims for the Porsche. Also, if anybody has put 22s on their Porsche Cayenne, let us know how they fit and how they drove and how you ended up liking them. Or maybe you didn't like them at all. So let us know. With that being said, let's jump back onto this welding part of this job. All right, so check that out, guys. We got the headlights on it. We put the old bumper on it for now just to get a little bit of a reference. We do have a new bumper for it, but when it came in and shipping, it was all folded up. So now it's in the sun getting warmed up so we can bend it all back out. But yeah, we've got the bumper on it. Look, everything's looking really nice. We don't have these brackets on yet because we still have to remove the headlights. That way we can trim everything out. So we don't really want to put too much on it. But as you guys can see, everything is on. We've got the bottom support on. We've got this thing back on. Now we just need to trim everything out and put the radiators back on it, you know, and then obviously trim out. We'll probably trim out the hood on the car maybe. I don't really want to be taking it off.
Yeah, I know, since we got it like perfect too.
Yeah, but I guess we'll see. Let's check out these gaskets. Yeah, buddy, looking good, looking good. She is looking very good. This bumper right here is actually messed up, so it needs to be like this, but like I said, we just got it on there just for a little bit of reference. Now let's ask the boss what he thinks. What do you think, boss?
You can tell when a man doesn't work by the hour. He doesn't get paid by the hour. He knocked this out way too fast.
What time did we start on this?
I don't even know.
It was after lunch.
Yeah, about
Yeah, it
1:30.
was.
Yeah, it's 4 right now.
Wait, what did we do before that? Oh, the Beamer. Didn't we do the truck too?
Yeah.
Yeah, we did that this morning. Yeah, it was after lunch. When you guys came back from lunch is when we.
Dang, so we did 3 jobs today, Nate.
Yes,
That's
sir.
a lot, man. That's like $1,000. Yeah, but anyways, what's left on this thing, Paul? We do have to paint it, right?
Yeah, we're gonna.
So how's that gonna work? Are they gonna do it, or you gonna do it, or what?
No, I'm probably gonna.
So we might have to trim it, or you
No,
trim
I
it?
think I'm gonna get them to do everything. Trim it. I'll just paint it, but I'll get them to trim
He's
it.
talking about Motorhead.
Yeah, Motorhead. Yeah, they gotta put in. They gotta pull their weight around here too. But yeah, that's gonna be it for this video, guys. If you liked it, hit that like button, and if you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. It really helps us out, keeps us motivated to bring you guys more and more content every day. And also check us out on Instagram at 23rd_garage, and I will see you guys in the next episode. Peace out.